Did Siddhant hit you? Why did he hit you?
I had gone to meet Purva at her house.
Tell me one thing. Why did you go to meet Purva at this hour?
Yes.
KK will tell you. Karthik loves Purva a lot. I got to know that even Purva loves Karthik a lot.
What is this, Karthik?
Whatever Dad said is true. I love Purva.
So Karthik, this is why Nupur has left the house, right?
What nonsense is this, Karthik? You are married. And Purva?
I just can't believe that he can do something like this.
Brother, I never loved Nupur. With or without Purva, this was destined to happen. Mom, my life got ruined the day I got married to Nupur. We argued and fought every day.
Karthik, Purva is Siddhant's sister. He married your sister. And all these relationships are very complicated, my dear.
If Karthik and Purva love each other so much, then what is wrong in that? KK shall support them. Karthik, you can marry Purva only after you divorce Nupur. Purva will come into this house after she marries you. This is KK's promise.
Thank you, Dad.
But Dad, how can you do that?
Shrikant, happiness is the most important thing. If Karthik and Nupur are not happy together, then why should they even stay together? There is no use. Their lives will get ruined. So it is better that they part ways. That is better. Get his first aid done.
Okay. Come on.
Without even knowing, Karthik, you gave me the power to control this game. If Purva becomes our daughter-in-law, then her family will automatically become KK's slave.
Why did you do this? You have no shame at all?
Mom, listen to me, please.
Do you love Karthik? We are that co-equal. You had to fall in love with a married guy.
Mom, please listen to me.
You ruined everything, Purva.
Stop it, Mom. Mom, you're punishing yourself and not
I
her.
know I'm punishing myself. I could not teach anything to my children. They can't even differentiate between right and wrong. I will trash you.
Mom, he's not listening to me. He's just saying that he doesn't want to live with that Nupur. It's not even 6 months and all this. At least they should give each other a chance to understand. And, I mean, I don't know.
Something has happened, but he's not telling that to us. He won't listen to anyone. He's already made up his mind, and he won't step back.
Mom, you're saying all this because you're just thinking about Karthik. But Anushka stays with them now.
Anushka? She has nothing to do with this. Why are you involving her in this?
I mean, you know what Siddhant and his mother think about Dad?
About KK? What do they think? What does KK have to do with all this?
Siddhant thinks that his dad was murdered, and he also thinks that our dad is behind it.
I mean, you know that the biggest problem is that Karthik is already married and nothing else. And you know, I don't think that Siddhant and Miss Gayatri will approve all this. Mom, the biggest issue is that Karthik is married. If he wouldn't have been married, then we could have at least thought about this and we could have gone ahead with this relationship and we could have solved all the differences very easily. Mom, if we are going to encourage all this now, then Anushka will have to face a lot of problems. Whom will she support? Will she support Karthik or support Siddhant?
I think you're right. I didn't even think about Anushka. In any case, we can't decide it in a hurry. We can't make Anushka's life complicated.
Karthik really loves me.
Now stop
and
it,
I love
Purva.
him too.
This is the reason I asked you not to work for Reddy Corporation. You don't know about him. I know him very well. These things don't matter to him.
Brother, you're getting it wrong. I know Karthik well. He loves me truly.
Stop it, Purva. The argument is over, alright? We won't argue any further. Go to your room. And hereafter, you will not work for Reddy Corporation. And I'm warning you, don't you dare meet Karthik or even talk about him. Now go to your room.
Anushka, do you also think that this is wrong? Didn't you tell me that if two people love each other, then they should be together?
Sir, we found out about Krishnamurthy's family.
What did you find out?
After he died, there were just two people in the family. It was his daughter and also his wife. His wife lived in a women's home for a very long time.
And what about the daughter?
The daughter went missing about 30 years ago and she was never found. And after that, her mother lost her sanity and she was sent to a women's hospital.
Can we go and see her mother?
No, sir. She was healed and she left the hospital just 3 months ago. My man tried a lot at the Bethlehem Charitable Society, but they refused to give us her contact details.
What was the name of the NGO?
Bethlehem Charitable Society. They have many branches in South India.
Mr. Sweetie, the NGO where you saw Rao heading in, what's the name of that?
Bethlehem Charitable Society.
So this means that Kutti Krishnamurthy lives in the Andhra branch of this NGO. And in the Delhi branch, Rao keeps visiting. There has to be some link, Mr. Sweetie. You do one thing, you go to this NGO, and I feel that we will definitely find some or the other clue over there.
Sure, sir. I shall find out.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले